Ever feel like you have a creative project or a home repair that requires the precision of a surgeon, but the power of a workshop tool? Stop struggling with bulky, awkward equipment that just gets in your way. Meet the Dremel 4300 High-Performance Rotary Toolkit. It's the absolute gold standard for anyone who loves to craft, build, or tinker, and it's about to become the most used tool in your entire workshop. This isn't just a simple motor on a handle. It's a total precision powerhouse. Whether you're grinding down metal, cutting through tight materials, wood carving intricate details, sanding rough edges, or engraving your own custom designs, this tool handles it all with incredible ease. The 4300 model features an electronic feedback circuit that keeps the speed steady even when you're applying pressure to tougher materials, so you get smooth, consistent results every single time. Plus, with the built-in LED light that pivots to illuminate exactly where you're working, you'll never have to worry about shadows or poor visibility again. What makes this specific kit unbeatable is the sheer versatility. You aren't just buying the tool. You're getting a complete system that includes 5 specialized attachments and 40 high-quality accessories. From the moment you open the case, you have everything you need to switch tasks in seconds. No more searching for the right head or struggling with complicated setups. It even features the innovative Easy Twist nose cap, which means you can change out your bits without needing a separate wrench. It's balanced perfectly in your hand, reducing fatigue during those long detail sessions. And the variable speed control gives you the delicate touch you need for fine work alongside the brute force you need for heavy-duty tasks. It's snappy, it's reliable, and it's built to last through years of demanding projects. If you're ready to take your craftsmanship to the next level and finally tackle those detailed jobs with total confidence, click the link below for the best price.